Everyone has equal experience of happiness in life, maybe. Everyone has one set of experiences. Varying number of days in speed which they are experienced, but just one set of experiences as a whole. So if you have all bad days and one good day, that is the heaven of a day, you know? If you have all good days and one bad day, that's a hell of a day. So, you know, it's like you get used to it. And your pain tolerance, the lack of it, like, it's got your back. It's possible that one good day is the exact same amount of good as the guy who has had all good days. Because the contrast is so extreme. And so the varying levels of that, you know, ends up balancing out to whatever, however many good days, however many bad days. It's quite possible that's how it all works for everybody. I think that'd be quite nice, you know, if that's really how it is. It's quite feasible. So, like, even if you had just one slightly better day than all the other days, that one slightly better day, that's like super heaven, you know, as the experience would go, you know. Theoretically, it's possible. I don't know.